Pastic. Flexible nose bridge for comfortable fit. Case and cleaning cloth included. 100% shatterproof polycarbonate lenses. Top reviews from the United States. Nice. I've been trying out a lot of Googles, my contacts are really a pain. The hinge and the bridge really allow for a good fit. I was afraid that they would fog, but have had no fog. I use them for bicycling. I have a large hill I climb on the way to work, no issues. I tried them while on vacation on the Mount Vernon trail from DC to Mount Vernon, afternoon with high humidity and I was going at a fair pace, hotel bike, no fog. My other airfoils fog a little, but these don't. So far, the best I've tried.